If you're experiencing a billing hold on Cash App, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and regain access to your funds. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Cash App account and check for any notifications or messages regarding the billing hold. This will give you an idea of why the hold was placed. Step 2. Verify your payment method. Ensure that your linked bank account or debit card is valid and has sufficient funds. If there are issues with your payment method, update or replace it. Step 3. Clear pending transactions. Review any pending transactions in your Cash App. If there are any that are causing the hold, consider cancelling them if possible. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient as they investigate the issue. They will notify you once the hold is lifted or if further action is needed on your part. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Cash App account efficiently. If issues continue, consider seeking further assistance from Cash App support.